The new hero tier system was finally unveiled. Meanwhile, we can also upgrade the S1 hero to X hero in Season 6. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will cover the difference between the new and old hero star systems and the transformation of the S1 hero. New tier system. The hero rank has now been divided into 5 tiers, allowing us to upgrade the hero by tier rather than star. For example, promoting a hero from rank 2 will result in the hero becoming rank 2 tier 1, requiring only 4 badges. Each tier upgrade will provide a partial enhancement of attributes. Promoting a tier 4 hero will also take the hero to the next rank. The total number of badges needed to reach rank 12 remains at 650. However, the new tier system allows for faster promotion than the old one. For example, to reach rank 11, we only need 540 badges, whereas with the old system, we would have needed 550 badges. An added benefit of the new tier system is that upgrades count as increases in a hero's rank in the Pirate Legend. Therefore, promoting 4 tiers of a legendary hero will earn us 80,000 points in Pirate Legend. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the new tier system. Let us know in the comments. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ X Heroes. In Season 6, the X Hero system was introduced, which involves 4 new resources: the Eye of Aqua Spirit, the Core of Aqua Spirit, the Tier of Aqua Spirit, and Aqua Fruit. To convert S1 and S6 heroes into X heroes and start the X level, we need an Eye of Aqua Spirit. Upgrading the X level requires a substantial amount of Tier of Aqua Spirit and Eye of Aqua Spirit, enhancing the hero attributes and strengthening the fleet. The X level has a total of 30 levels, and once we reach level 10, we can start the Awakening Power process, a separate process located below the X level. There are 6 awakened effects with 5 tiers for each, and each effect provides attribute bonuses to the hero, requiring Core of Aqua Spirit for the upgrade. We will unlock the awakened skills upon completing the first round in blue. The hero's primary skill will be extended to 20 levels, and the existing skill stat will be enhanced or have an added effect. For example, Bone skill will deal 750% of the attack with the awakened skill rather than 500% at level 10. According to officials, the Awakening Power process will have 3 rounds, and we are currently at the last tier of the second round. Completing it will increase the main awakened skill max level by 1. The X level and Awakening Power resources can be obtained from the contribution rewards in my faction. We must gather crystals from the crystal mine and contribute them to the faction boost. Higher level mines produce more crystals at the same gathering time. However, the crystal mines are limited, so we must act quickly before other players get them. By contributing 163 million crystals, we can unlock all contribution rewards. However, we still can't max a hero's X level or Awakening Power with these free resources, so we must spend money to upgrade them. Upgrading the Awakened primary skill beyond level 10 will require Aqua Fruit rather than the Master Pipe. We can get some free from the settlement rewards, but we must spend money to further level the skill because the free Aqua Fruit is insufficient. What do you think about the X Hero system? Please let us know in the comments. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.